Okay. Hyogo train station, commute hour. Look how crowded this train is. I mean, they pack them in here, man. It's Tuesday. It's raining pretty hard. There's supposed to be a big storm coming in today. Look at how crowded that train is. Not a tsunami, but a oh, I forget what the hell it is. They all looking at Gaijin with the camera. What the hell is he doing? See how hard it's raining? A typhoon. There's a typhoon coming in today. So it'll be my first typhoon. I hope I gotta go to Hirima today. I hope I don't get stuck in Hirima because of the typhoon. That would suck because there's not much to do in Hirima. Okay, go already. I was trying to get a video of the bass that's coming off the train, but and then there goes a freighter. Freighters and the passengers work on the same rail. More video later.